Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Rockstar Social Club account. This is necessary because name changes are account-level actions. Once signed in, make sure there are no recent name changes or restrictions on your profile because Rockstar enforces limits and cooldowns. Also, verify you can access the email and any two-factor device tied to the account so you can receive verification codes. This prevents interruption. Now, open your account settings and navigate directly to the Profile or Display Name field. To begin, you now enter your desired display name in the Profile Edit area. Type it exactly how you want it to appear, keeping in mind Rockstar's formatting and profanity rules so the name won't be rejected. Once entered, check the availability prompt. If it's taken, iterate quickly with small variations. After availability, you'll be asked to confirm with your account password and any two-factor authentication codes and complete a CAPTCHA. Once confirmed, Rockstar will process the change and often sends a verification email to finalize it. You finish by saving the change and immediately signing out then back, and so all services refresh your new name. This ensures it appears in-game and on Social Club. Make sure to update any linked platform profiles if names sync externally. If the change fails, clear browser or game cache and check your verification email folder. Sometimes confirmations land in spam. If none of that helps, contact Rockstar support with your account ID and screenshots so they can resolve account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.